Hey guys, this is a video about 4th November, and I just met my friend, and I wanted to we were just discussing about the topic of self-acceptance versus self-improvement, and it was a very much theory session, but it's just if I'm not able to open, if I'm not opening, then it's fine. I'm just gonna come after after an hour or something. Once I have my work done, then I'll just do more of that open. And so what I was discussing is that like for example we have this self acceptance. For example, you have yourself, but when you beat yourself, when you are just doing, like for example, like my voice is not coming out, I'm feeling like I'm getting judged by people, this is not cool, and it's a very hard thing, or like it's very strong thing to me. And I had to look back on my past experience, but I also had to think that what would happen if I just stay like this? Like, will I get murdered if I just talk loud, or if I just talk on a video, if I just shoot a video? Is it like a bad thing or what? And I just think about it, and I'm just like, I'm not gonna get killed or something for just shooting a video or something. So I don't have free will on this one right now, and I'm working on this, and so that's my take. Like, that's what I'm thinking on my self-acceptance. Like, I'm accepting myself while shooting a video. Basically, the thing is that you have this resistance, and it comes up because I don't accept myself on shooting video. Like, from my heart, I didn't accept that self, so that's why I feel judged. And it's fine. I mean, I don't get killed if I just shoot a video or something. And I was talking on that topic. I mean, it's just a very good example. And it gets easier. Like, I can improve myself, I can improve my video shooting skills, I can be more engaging, be more vocal about it, I can have a better angle of camera angles, and stuff like that. But it just like it starts with childhood, and it starts with a habit of pattern. Like, I might have a habit of pattern where I might have done something very very not so good, like not so good to the world. Like, for example, very outside of the box, and I might have felt judged at that time, and that judgment, like that habit, has passed on to me, and from there it just grew more and more and more, and then I'm not able to take action right now on this one. So this is like self-acceptance. I'm accepting all that past self, and I'm accepting this self about shooting the video, and then that's how it works. And I can also improve myself on this skill of this, basically this skill of this. So in pickup we have, like, you're just going to talking to a random person, and like after a few years, you might feel like it's your duty or something like that. Like, you're doing daily, it's just like your identity is that you just have to open every set, and that's gonna fuck up because you're not doing for your I was not doing for my pleasure. I was doing to have my streaks maintained, and I'm just doing to show up to the world that I can do it. I can show it to the wing that I'm doing it every day, and that's not a good way to live a life. I mean, it's fine to live like that. It's totally normal. I mean, you could just live like that, but it's not a happy. I couldn't maintain it, and I have to. It's very stressful. But if I can just stay without being without not following the rules that I have set. I mean, it's not like I'm not doing on my basis, but let's say it's better to not follow the rules and just stay with yourself than just follow all the rules but not stay with yourself. For example, you're not opening a set because I'm not opening the set because I feel like I'm doing it for others, and it's better to not do, because if I'm doing on others' pressure, that's like very. I mean, at start you should do, but after a while, I mean, it's not rationalization, but it's just basic fact that I'm doing for myself only. I'm just finding my, like, why I'm doing, my motivation and stuff like that on this one. Just gonna cut it to this one. I hope you like this one, and like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.